Hello everyone, welcome to TechLeopard channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to download and install Zoom client on your Windows 10 computer. So what you need to do first is open any browser and then search for Zoom download and then click on the first link, which is zoom.us. Now right here you can see the download button, and this is for the 32-bit, but since I'm using a 64-bit Windows, I'm going to download the 64-bit version. If you don't know what version of Windows you are using, you can just simply go to Start and then Settings and then System and then About, and here you will see the version of your Windows. Since I'm running 64-bit, it is saying 64-bit operating system. So if you're using 32-bit, you can just click on this big download button to download the 32-bit version. So let's download the 64-bit. And as you can see, the installer is being downloaded and the download is complete. So let's go ahead and click on it. Now click on yes. Now let's minimize our browser, and as you can see here, the installation is complete, and from here you can click on join a meeting, and then you can enter your meeting ID or personal link and then click on join, or you can just go to sign in and then enter your email and password to sign in. Now if you don't have a Zoom account, what you can do is click on the sign up link bottom here, and then it will take you to the Zoom website, and from here you can enter your information and then sign up for free. And once you are signed up, what you can do is just come back here and then enter your email and password to sign in and start using Zoom. And that's it for today. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in the next one.